Alright, so Daryl's over here finishing up what Josh couldn't get to. Got all these panels and stuff made up, so we're going to finish welding all them together. Button this thing up finally, I hope. Get the back of the other side. Alright, doing the seat. Show what the little support looks like when it's all welded in. Alright, so it looks like that.
That's from the rest of my hand.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Hold on. Here.
No, I only got this little section. I'll get it.
Ready?
Yep. Good.
So that's on. Finishing up the buckle. Josh tacked that in. Get that on there. Coming along. Alright, so that one's on. That's the front. And then that stud. Alright, that right there will be the back. And then the rod will go across that with the buckle on one end and it snaps up. And then on the bottom, same thing. It's gonna have another one on the bottom. I gotta wait for the actual window net, so we're gonna have one of those. Ordered that, because then that, depending on how big the actual net is, stretch it out nice and tight, and then stretch it out nice and tight here and up and down. So that'll be like later. Gotta get the net first. So until you put the cage in, you really don't know how big the net's gonna be. Alright. I'm gonna finish welding that in there.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep. Alright. Okay.
Good?
Yep.
I'm just working the pedal out here for him.
Good.
Parachute handle mount.
Okay.
Box, the switch panel, so that switch panel will get mounted up there.
All I gotta do just the outside of these tabs.
Yep,
anyway.
only the outside, yep. Put a little piece of aluminum sheet metal up there so we don't tear up the headliner. Alright, I'm gonna do this piece right here. And he's just gotta make sure he gets around the two corners. Right there, around that little thing right there, and that right there. Good? Alright. Alright, so this is just gonna get just like that.
Top it on the sides.
Yeah. side. Do like too little on the side. And then it's up flush against it, right? Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm gonna have to put another tungsten in here. Let me try to get it tacked up.
I get another. I think I got another one right on the machine.
Okay.
I'll get it for you. Yep. Well, let me go get another one.
Alright.
Alright. Let's get a new piece of tungsten going.
Okay, you're good.
Alright. Coming along, coming along. Finishing up that edge in there where it's really tight. It's really hard to get in them corners. That's done. That's done. That's that stud up there. Seat mount, all done. So he's trying to get this inside edge on the other side right now. And we got one more little tab for the top of the box. So let's see where I went. So that welded a little tab, welded a nut on the inside of the tab, and then we're gonna put the tab up there. And then when you bolt this on, this goes on like that. It'll have the two little tabs on one tab on each side, and then one right dead center like that. Keep it from rocking around, and it'll be nice and steady. You know, nice and steady. Won't go nowhere. Good.
Yeah. Crank. Turn that machine up.
More late nights. All the bugs are out now. Coming into the warm garage. Lit. Alright. Last little piece of the puzzle. Got back support for the switch panel. And that's it. And like I said, then once we order the net, we'll put the other two little tabs on the bottom of the bars. And that's it. And I gotta go back, and I missed one spot welding that plate right there. Later I'll do that. And we're done. Alright. So pretty much 99%. Give you a nice look at this tomorrow when there's better lighting. I'll throw a light in there and show you how it all looks. We just got to finish scuffing it all down, etch prime the whole thing, paint it all black. Alright.
Good job. I noticed the two spots in case you wanted to try to fucking pop out, blow out on us.
Okay.
She's there.
Yep.
There.
Okay.
All right.
That's good. That ain't going anywhere.
No.
Like I said, it's just to hold the back of the thing so it don't rock.
Right.
Alright. All right. Nice, beautiful morning. Daryl was here really late finishing all this up. So that's how that sits. Got all the mounts on. Got this on. Sun visor still works up and down on this side. That's all done. All done. Got the mount here for the seat. So what I'm going to do now is I just got the machine set up. I just got to finish welding that little spot on the bottom there. And then, let's see. I got to finish that. I got to put the seat back in. Mark the 2 holes behind the seat. Make 2 holes in the seat so we can bolt the seat in when it's time. And then, that's about it. The boys can start scuffing this thing down. Tape everything off, start priming it. Alright, so that's the next step. Let me just finish that up, and then I'll show you, give you a rundown of what it looks like before we prime it. Alright, I got that finished. All the welding's done. Alright, go over here. I got the seat back in it. I'm gonna take a marker, push this together, and just put 2 little dots in there and take the seat back out. Okay. Got the cover off, made the 2 holes, got the cover back on. Put a couple of bolts in there. That'll be done. Okay. What I'm gonna do is, now I need to, so the bracket, the box that holds the switch panel in, I gotta mark out the holes. So it's gonna have 2 holes on it, 1 on each side there, and then 1 in the back. So I'm gonna put that up there, mark the holes out on the box itself, drill the holes out, and then I put a button head bolt, a little Allen button head bolt on that, and on the sides, so they look nice and clean. And they're not in the way sticking out. And that I'm gonna leave like that. I just gotta put 2 nuts and bolts on that, but we're not doing that till it's painted. All right. Let me do the thing with the box, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right. Picked up some nice little bolts. Little Allen head bolt for the sides. All right. 1 for the back. Good to go. All right, so that'll be installed after we paint. Next thing is going to be priming and painting. All right, but can't even tell it's in there. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cage is done. Be installing the window net and then the paint job.